Good morning, students. Today we will study sets, our new chapter 4, which is sets, page number 73. So, what is sets? Sets, it is a collection of things. Okay. In mathematics, a collection or group of things of any kind whatsoever is called sets. Means in the mathematics, it is called that groups of anything. It can be flower, man, number, digit, animal. So the groups of that particular things, that is called set. Okay. So this is the definition of set. A set is a well defined collection of objects. So that is your set. Okay. Now first of and one more thing we should know, what do you understand by well defined? Because the word is here used, well defined. Well defined means it is must be possible. Possible means there is a certain thing which is defined, which is probable, not probable, it is sure, which is under the consideration. So that is well defined. So exactly which is clear. Okay. So that type of collections of object is called sets. A set is a well defined collections of objects. Okay. So that is the well defined means must be possible to tell beyond doubt whatever or not a given object belong to a particular collections under consideration. Okay. So this is about sets. Okay. So some question based on this, we will know to which particular group, which particular collections we will call the sets. So based on this we will solve some question from the exercise 4a, so you will understand better. First question is that planet in our solar system, it is true or false? It means it is a collection of sets or not? Of course, because in solar system it is a fixed, well defined. There are how many solar system, that is well defined. So this is true. Okay, this statement is true. Okay, so this statement is our true statement. Next is interesting books in the library. So what do you understand by this interesting book? Interesting book, it can be anything. Okay, so it is not well defined, means which books we are talking about, I don't know, so many are there. Exactly we are not able to understand about which books you are talking. Interesting books means what? Any book it can be. So this is not well defined. Got it? This is not well defined. Okay, number 2 is not well defined. Number 3, colors of a rainbow. Yeah, we know there are 7 colors, so it is a well defined. Okay, this is a well defined. All difficult problems in your math books, is it? Can I understand how many you have the difficult problem? So many it can be. Exactly which exercise, which page number, which question number, did you tell about that? No. So exactly it is not defined. So again this is not a set. Number 4. Okay. Next, number 5, top 5 wickets takers in test cricket. Yeah, it is because if you know the history of the players, they know that which is the topmost 5 wickets. So it is defined. So I am talking about the best 5 wicket, topmost 5 wicket. So it's okay. This is a set. Intelligent boy of your classes. So I don't know. In a class there are suppose 100 students. There all are intelligent. How I can say this particular boy is intelligent or this boy is intelligent? To whom you are talking? You should have to tell the name. So again it is not a well defined. President of India. Okay, that is President of India. President of India, yeah, it is a well defined because we know president. Okay, it is set. Good football players. So again we don't know the name. So many are good players. You are also good player. He is also good player. So so many players are there. Exactly, I'm not defining the name. To whom I'm about which person I'm talking. So again this is not correct. This is not a set. Okay, counting numbers between 30 to 40. Yeah, we can count 30 to 40, 31, 32, 33, likewise up to 40. So it is a well defined. all good schools of India. Again, all good school means what? All the schools are good school. Again, we are not telling about we are not saying the name of the school. So again, this is not a well defined. Okay, all vowels we know A, E, I, O, U. So we are talking about the vowels. So it is a well defined. All yellow fruits. Yes, all yellow fruits means we are talking about the yellow fruits. So we just define the color. So it is okay. This is correct because this is a set. Okay. So likewise, this is the meaning of well defined. So whenever, so what is the definition of set? A set is a well defined collection of object. Got it? So I hope you understand about the set. Okay. Now next we will study membership of a set. Membership of a set. The object which make up a set are called its member or element. Okay, so what is the member? Member means, suppose I just talk about, just now I talk about the vowels. So the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Sorry, A, E, I, O, U. This is your vowel. Okay, so this together, all this is the set of vowel. This is the set of, this is the what? This is the set of your vowels. Okay, this is the set of vowels, and this each, you can see this A, E, I, O, U. This each particular letter is your member. This is the member of this set. What is the name of set? Vowel. These are the member of this set. Which set? Vowel set. The name of this set is vowel, and these all A, E, I, O, U. These all letters are the set. These all letters are the member of this set. Understood? Okay. Next is that there we will study about how to suppose this is the set of vowel. So I just give the name for this vowel. Suppose for this I just write letter B for the vowel. Okay, and I will write like this. If you have to write the set of vowel, you have to write in the curly bracket. Okay, or medium bracket. Okay, in this what you have to write? A, E, I, O, and U. Now this is proper way to write this. In the mathematical form you have to write like this. B means you have to declare that, you have to show that B, I suppose, for the set of vowels. It is the name of set of vowels, and in there you can say A, E, I, O, U. So these all letters are set of V. Okay, now there is again one sign we will use. Okay, what is the sign? This type of sign we will use. This sign. Okay, this sign is nothing but, this sign is called epsilon. Okay, EPSILON. This sign is called epsilon. This particular sign is called epsilon. And what is the meaning of this? Epsilon means is a member of or belongs to. Is a member of or belongs to. Got it? It only, suppose if I using the sign equal sign, means what does it mean? Means we are saying that this is equal to particular number 4 equals to 4. So likewise this epsilon means we are saying that it is a member of or belongs to. For this I will use this epsilon sign. Okay, you see some examples. Suppose here you can see here is the A is the set of, you can see A is the set of all the name of the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, so A is the set. Okay, and in there is a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now instead of writing full Monday of an element of A, means always we have to write A is the element of A, Monday is the element of A, because all the members are there. Monday members, Tuesday member, Wednesday, Thursday, these all are the members of A, because they all come in the one set of, what is the name of that set? A. Okay, now so here we will use the one letter, that is epsilon, as I told that. So here you see Monday epsilon A. It means what? Monday belongs to A. Same here you can also write here for this also, for this vowel. How you will write? You can write here also same they have written Monday belongs to A, so I can also write this, I can also write like this, A belongs to what is the name of our set? V. See here, what is the name of our set? V, and A, I am talking about the A, so A belongs to the set V. Okay, again I can write I is the also, so I belongs to set V. B is the set. Okay, if I write B belongs to V, is it correct? See here, this B belongs to V, it is correct. Is it V in this set? Check it. Here is B in this set. No, this B letter is not available in this set. In this case, how I will write? So you will write, you have to write like this, B not belongs to. If you write like this epsilon and you cut it, it means not belongs to. Okay, not a member of, or you can say not a member of. Okay, suppose I write like this, C. Okay, or this C belongs to B, is it correct? No, so I will cut it. So this is, it says that it not belongs to that particular set. Got it? Okay, now you can see some example of here also. Likewise, 7 is a set of odd number. Yes, 7 is odd number. Minus 20 is a set of integers. Yes, because in integers there is a plus number and minus number, both positive and negative, correct. D is a set of vowels. No, because D is not coming in that set. So see here. So likewise you can see the examples of all. Okay, so this is about epsilon is used for to present the belongs to or the member of, or if it is not, so we can cross that, means we just cut a line, that epsilon sign, it means not belongs to. Okay, now exercise 4b we will do, then you will understand. First one is that B not belongs to A, E, I, O, U. Yes, because B is not in that set. You can see, is it B is there in this set? B is there? No, B is not there, so it means it is your true. Okay, number 2, you can see 6 belongs to set of even number. Yes, if we write the set of even number, means there will be, if you write the set of even number, so you can write all the numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, likewise we can write down. So C is this 6 is coming in this set or not, this even number? Yes, it is coming, so that's why it is true. Okay, next, third, you can see 13 is not a set of odd number. Here is, you can see, not a set, means not belongs to that particular. So of course this 13 belongs to odd number, but in this statement saying not belongs to, so correct means false. Here is see, gold, silver, platinum, gold not belongs to this set. What is the set? In this set, see, silver, platinum and gold in this set. Okay, so see, gold belongs to this set. Yes, gold belongs to this set, but statement is saying that gold is not belongs to this set, so it means false statement. Okay, this is the false one. So likewise you can study. And again, 1998 is a set of leap year. It is a true or false? False, because 1998 is a not a leap year, but here saying leap year, so again this is the false statement. Okay, so belongs to or not belongs, so this is about that. I hope you understand and you can solve. Okay, next we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is let A equals to odd numbers which is less than 19. Insert the appropriate sign. Okay, so for this, can I write like this? All the odd numbers we have to write. Odd numbers means A is the set, because A is the name of that set. I suppose in this question they have supposed what is the name of that set, because always you have to write the name. हमेशा आपको एक सेट का नाम लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, कोई भी, और वो सेट का नाम के लिए आपको बताएंगे रूल, हमेशा सेट का जो भी नाम आप लिखेंगे नेम, उसका लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल होना चाहिए, और सेट के अंदर जितने भी मेंबर्स होंगे उनका सारा लेटर्स स्मॉल होगा, वो भी हम आगे पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है। तो पहले आपको ये जानना है, सेट का कोई भी सेट का हमेशा नाम होगा, उस नाम को आपको बताना होगा आपने इस चीज़ के लिए ये नाम रखा है। जैसे यहाँ पे इसने बताया है ए हमने नाम रखा है माना है किसके लिए, ऑड नंबर्स के लिए. ओके, सो लाइकवाइज वी हैव टू सपोज एंड दैट वी हैव टू डिक्लेयर. सो हियर यू कैन सी द सेट इज A. Okay, so odd numbers. Okay, so odd numbers from 1, it will be 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19 itself also, because they have told less than or equal to, then after we will not take. So this is the set of odd numbers which is less than equal to 19. Now we will solve the question. See the question first. A dash dash A is 4 belongs to that set. See, 4 is here in this set. You can check there is a 4. No, it means what we will write, not belongs to. What is the sign for not belongs to? This is the sign for not belongs to. 7 is in this set. Yes, 7 is, so it means 7 will belongs. 9 is in this set. Yes, it is belong, so I will write belongs. 13 belongs to this set. Yes, it is belongs, so write belongs. 19 belongs to this set. Yes, so write belongs. 2 belongs to this set. No, so what I will write, C and cross it. Understood? Belongs to or not belongs to. I hope you understand. Okay, next question number 3. Write these statement in set language using proper symbols, belongs to or not belongs to. Okay, so that is, we have to write here this belongs to or not belongs to. See how I will write. First, 2 is a member of set of first 5 counting number, so that we have to write. So for this, 2 is a member of this, so how we can write? So first we will solve 2 member. Okay, 2 is a member of what? It is a member of first 5 counting number. Yes, so first, what is the first 5 counting number? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So it comes under that. Yes, it is, 2 is coming in this set or not? Yes, you can see this 2 is coming in this set. Yes, 2 is here. So 2, this is the statement for first. D is the member of set of consonant. Yes or no? Of course, D is a consonant and D is coming in this set. D is, if you write the consonant, so that all come under the set of this consonant. So D is the again. So what is the D? Belongs to the consonant. You can write all the consonant like B, C, D, and likewise you can write up to Z. All the consonant you can write, because D belongs to your consonant. That D is a member of consonant. Next, 32 is not member of the set of multiples 3. What is number third is that 32 is not a member. Not a member means it says that it is not a member. Not a member of set multiples of 3. So what is the multiples? You write the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Okay, so you can see in this table 33 comes and 30 come, but 32 did not come. So it means surely this is the statement for 32. 32 is not a member of multiples of 3. Okay, next, number 4. India is not a member of set of continent. If we write the set of continent India, this is the I write the India. If I write, they are saying that not as not belongs to, not to come. So if we write the set of all the continents, so there India will come. So if you write the name of the continents, there India will come? No, because there are 7 continents. And what are the name of the continents? Like Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica also, Europe, and one more, Australia. Okay, So there are 7 continents, but in these 7 continents, among these 7 continents, India comes no. So it means if we write the set of continents, there India will be not the member of that set. Okay, so this is about belongs to, how to write the set and all that. Okay, I hope you understand. Next we will study representation of sets. So how we represent our sets. So there are 3 methods to presenting our sets. The first one is description method, second is roster or tabular form, third is the rule or set builder. There are 3 methods. Okay, so these methods we will use to represent our sets. So one by one we will study. First is about description method. In the description method, a set can be represented by describing it clearly and carefully in words. Means in this method what we are doing, we are describing in the words. Got it? We are describing in the words. Like this example, you can see the set of students in your school who have their birthday in the March. So we are saying in the sentence. So this is about description method. Next is the roster method. In this method, the element of the set are separated by comma and listed within braces. Okay, you can see it is always separated by a comma. Okay, separated by comma and listed with braces, means in the bracket it will be. Got it? Okay, so see here, in this A is the set. You can see here A is the set. In this set 1 2 3 4 5 are the numbers written, and these numbers 1 2 3 4 5 are the members of this set A. See this, it comes with within the bracket, and see there is a comma or not. Check, there is the commas are there. Got it? And there is no any bondation like we have to write in the sequence like a 1 2 3 4 5. You can write random also, like 5 3 2 1, like randomly numbers you can write. Means there is no any like ascending order or descending order. You can randomly write in this set, but all the numbers should be. So there are some rules are there. One more example we will see. Let B is the set of letter floor. Okay, one letter, there is a B is the name of that set, and that in that particular set which letters will come? F, L, O, R. But you can see there is a double O, but there we write only single A. So this is the rule also. We cannot write 2 times the same letter or same digit. Okay, so that rule we will also, you should know. These are the rules. First rule, A set is represented by capital letter. जैसा हमने आपको पहले ही बताया था, जब भी आप सेट लिखेंगे हमेशा वो किस लेटर से होना चाहिए? हमेशा वो एक कैपिटल लेटर में होना चाहिए. सेट का नाम हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर में होना चाहिए. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? द एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट आर रिटन इनसाइड पेयर ऑफ करली ब्रैकेट और विद सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमा. अभी जस्ट आपको जैसे बताया, आपको हमेशा एक करली ब्रैकेट में और बीच में क्या क्या होना चाहिए, उसको सेपरेट, जो भी मेंबर्स हैं उनको सेपरेट किससे करेंगे? एक कॉमा से. थर्ड रूल क्या है? इफ़ द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट आर अल्फ़ाबेट्स देन दे आर ऑलवेज रिटेन इन स्मॉल लेटर. जैसा मैंने बताया, अगर वो कोई भी सेट है, वो अल्फ़ाबेट्स का सेट है, कोई वर्ड्स है, लाइक कुछ भी है, सेंटेंस है, उसका जब भी हम सेट बनाएंगे और सेट का जो भी मेंबर्स हम लोग लिखेंगे, सेट का जो भी मेंबर्स जो भी लिखेंगे, ये हमेशा किस में होना चाहिए? स्मॉल लेटर में. ए सी, सपोज ए सी डी ई, दिस ऑल शुड बी कम इन द स्मॉल लेटर. वी विल नॉट राइट इन द कैपिटल लेटर. Okay, all the members must be come in the small letter. Fourth, the element of a set can be written in any order. जैसा अभी जैसे मैंने बताया, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको, ऐसा कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट ऐसा कंपलसरी नहीं है पहले ए ही लिखना है. आप सी लिख दो, पहले डी लिख दो, या फिर पहले 1 2 3 लिखना है तो पहले आप 3 लिख दो, फिर 2 लिखो, फिर 1 लिखो, एज योर विश. देयर इज़ नो एनी बाउंडेशन फॉर दैट. Fifth, repetition is not done. Repetition is, here is the toffee, but the spelling of toffee is TOFF. So 2 times we will not write F or the E. Means the repetition of letters or digit is not. Okay. is not allowed. So you will not write the 2 times same thing. Repetition is not done while listing the element. When you write the member, the elements, we will not repeat that 2 times, we will 3 times we will not write, only 1 time we will write. Understood? So these are the rules. Okay, these are, likewise we will write the sets. Okay, next is the rule method or set builder method. Okay, so next is that our rule method or set builder method. In this method, here the set is described by stating a condition or property which an object or element must satisfy if it belongs to the set. So what it states, the states is that there is a condition or property. So what is the, first of all you should know, in this this rule method or the set builder method, we will put in the curly bracket. Okay, here you can see this x is the one part, this is called set of all element x. Okay, this bar sign, you can see this vertical line, this is such that, this is read as such that. Okay, and here we will write the properties of x. Okay, so this you can see here, we will write the name of this set. Okay, this set builders we will give some naming, so that name you can give. So here is given as x, you can see x says, how you will read it, you have to read like this, x is, here is s is the set of all x such that x has a property p. So likewise we will read. So either you can read here you can see this, you can use this sign also and this sign also, both meaning is such that, this is your vertical line. Okay, and this is called colon, this 2 dotted is called colon. Okay, both meaning is such that. Okay, so now we will solve some examples, then you will understand better. The set of rivers in India can be written as, okay, so as I told that it should be within the curly bracket. Then after, here is this x is nothing but this is your variable. Okay, and this is one vertical line, this vertical line means that is your such that x is a river of India. So what is this, x is a river of India, this is your condition, this is your condition. Actually set builder is written in this form, this is your variable part and this side is your condition part. Okay, either you can use this sign or this sign, both means same, such that. Okay, and one more thing you should know, why we are using this rule method or set builder method, why you are using, I just give one example. Suppose you have to write the set of all the whole numbers, you have to write the set of whole numbers, set of whole number you have to write. Okay, so and which is between, it should be between 0 to 10,000. So how you will write, if you will use the roster method, the roster method is also called listing method. Okay, so if you will write the in this method, roster method, the earlier we are using, in this method if you will write in this roster method, how much time it will take? Of course you have to write 0 to 10,000, it will take so much time. So this method is impractical, generally we are not writing like that. So and also this is very time consuming. So to read this, to overcome to write this larger set, to overcome on this, we are using this set builder method. So building a particular set of, not just listing the elements, hence the name is known as set builder. Okay, so here we will see some examples. See here, the set of all even number can be written as, okay, x is your variable and x is an even number. It means that is the condition, that condition saying that x is what, x is an even number. We'll solve exercise 4c. First, specify each of following sets in roster form. We have to specify in the roster form. So you know how to write the roster form, very easy. We have to write in the only in the same in the curly bracket and members will separate. First is the set of odd numbers, how you will write set of odd number, first of all always you have to write the name of your set. So you have to start with like this, let A be the set of odd numbers. Okay, so I just given the name A, that is for the our set, and then after I will write A equals to, and set of what, all the odd numbers, set of odd numbers less than 15. So all the odd numbers we will write less than 15. So what are that? That is 1, 3, 5, which is like 7, 9, 11, 13, and these all are the set of odd numbers, okay, less than 15. So likewise this is the roster form. Understood? Next, suppose here is, you can see, let the set of letters in word satellite. I have to write the set. So again we have to write this sentence. Okay, so here I just given the name W. The set name is, I just take it W. So W, so I can write W, which is, now what I will write there inside that, all the letters of satellite, S, A, T, E, L, I. So some letters I did not write. Why? Like double L is there and 2 times E is there. So only I write 1 time L and 1 time E, because we cannot repeat. Okay. So this is the set of, this is the roster form of, to write this is satellite. Next we will solve question number 2. Write each given set in the set builder forms. Okay. So here first question we are going to solve. Here you can see here is written 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. Okay, so first question number we are going to solve, which is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and it is in the bracket, curly bracket. Now first of all I will give the name of this set builder, this set. So here I just let set name is, this set name is S, letter S. Okay, so how you will write this set builder? You have to start like this, S, okay, then after equals sign, then you can write the variable name. So you can take X, Y, Z, A, B, C, any name you can take. So here I am taking X, this is the my variable name. Then after, such that you can use this sign also. Okay, this sign also you can use in the place of this. I use here vertical line. Then what you will write here, X is, actually what you have to know, what is this 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, what is these numbers? These numbers says that these are the number of multiples of 4. You just think about this, these all numbers come in the table 4. So it means these are the multiples of 4. So it means we can write the condition. So because this is the place for the condition, here we are writing the condition. So what is the condition? X is, what is X? X is multiples of, X is multiples of 4, and close it. Okay, so how you will read it? As I told that you have to read like that, S is set of all X such that X is multiple of 4. Okay, now next question we will solve, number 2. Number 2 is here 1, 4, 9 and this. Okay, in this question first of all you should know what is the condition in this question. In this question you can just see 1, 4, 9, you can see these all are the square. Suppose this is a 1 square, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So this means these all are the perfect square. It means we got the condition. What is the condition there? They are the perfect square. So how we will do it? So this question we will solve number 2, which is how you will write. First of all you have to write the name. You have to set name S, you have to write that set name. Let set name is set name is S. Okay, so S is the set name. Now start with the curly bracket. X is our variable. Okay, okay. What is the condition? Condition is all these are the perfect square. Okay, so here we will write X is a perfect square. Okay, and closed it. So this is our set builder method. Okay, one more question we will do. Okay, let 7 number we will solve. Set of all letters used in word Mumbai. Show how you will write. Very easy. You can follow this number 7. So suppose I given the name S. Okay, curly bracket, X is our variable. This is such that. Okay, now what is that condition? Condition is that all letters from the from the word Mumbai. So because in the each letter like M, U, M, B, A, I, each letter is the part of word Mumbai. So that condition I will write here. X is a letter in the word Mumbai. Okay, that I will write here. M, U, M, B, A, I. Okay, so and now close it. So what does it mean? So here all the letters whatever it will be in the Mumbai like M, U, M, B, A, I. We will talk about M, either U, M, B, A, I. These all letters, you can see these all letters will come in the word Mumbai. So this is your set builder form. So when we are using set builder form, when listing method or by the roster method we cannot write, or for the proper condition to describe by the condition we are using this set builder method. Okay, so hope you can solve all the question. Thank you.